stroganoff meal. Very easy to do. This is the finished product. All the noodles are cooked. Didn't have to boil any water. Didn't have to put the ground beef on the stovetop. You can do it all in this RockCrok. It cooked covered. So it's all fresh ingredients. There's like no excuse to do hamburger helper when you have a RockCrok. Everything cooked inside this one pot. So this was my finished product. It looks really good. I added the sour cream, and now I'm just adding the topping, and then that's it. And this topping is the panko breadcrumbs, the onion, straws, and the dill seasoning. So let that sit.